What's up YouTube, this is Jason and we're back with another video. Today, as I was working on this project that been working on for the past few weeks, I was using Linux Ubuntu, that software, in order to create a server, but that's besides the point. And the first hurdle that I came to was that I do not know how to install software on Linux, not even a little bit. So I'm just making up a little video, just in case anybody has the same problem that I had while using Linux Ubuntu. And this is not for, it's probably the same way for all the Linux versions, such as Red Hat and Debian, but this video specifically is for Ubuntu 18.04, I believe is the version I'm using. Whatever is currently on the Ubuntu website currently, that's the version that I'm using. So there's basically three major ways to download software on Linux. The first being the terminal, which you just type in sudo. After typing in sudo, you would type in apt apt install. Then the software we're gonna download is Synaptics. So after doing that, you'll be given a prompt in the terminal, and first you will be given your password. You just put in your password if you have a password. I don't even know how to do it without a password, but you just type in your password and it's gonna give you a prompt, and then you click Y when it asks do you want to continue. After that, it's gonna just finish downloading everything. Should be good if you do it that way. I actually recommend doing it through the terminal. Somehow it knows what to do. You don't have to do anything else besides when to install. After it's done install, you could just navigate to where it installed it at, and it should be there. And the second way that you can download software on Linux is using a third-party software. You guys just saw me download Synaptics, is the one, which is what I'm gonna use. There's Synaptics and a few others that I don't know by name currently off the top of my head, but Synaptics is one of them. So what you would do is navigate to Synaptics, and as soon as you click on it, it will ask for you to put in your password. And after you put in your password, you click authenticate, and then the Synaptic package manager will pop up, and it will give you this small prompt about quick introduction about what it does, such as download packages, and also helps you undownload the packages as well, because uninstalling in Linux is kind of a step-by-step process if you use the terminal, but this makes it a lot easier. So Synaptics it's a pretty hefty package library. It has everything from cross-platform stuff to everything, debugging stuff, database such as MySQL and client-based stuff like that, development stuff, Autodesk. I believe Autodesk should be on there, and it also has like Audacity, and OBS can be downloaded through that as well, which makes it easier to find software. I haven't found any software that I couldn't download using Synaptics or the terminal. Usually if you use those two, you're 99% gonna find the software you need. So after finding what you want to download, I don't know what I'm video, maybe something with graphics or games. You know what? I'm just gonna download Audacity, which would make it easier. Which, if you didn't know, Audacity is like a audio recording software. So we're just gonna download that. You just click the box, and after you click the box, it's gonna show a little prompt, and you just click. After that, you just click apply, and then a prompt will pop up, and then you click apply, and it's gonna download all the dependencies and other files that needs to be used with it as well. So it just makes never mind about the terminal being the best way. I actually think Synaptics might be the best way to do this, or any other software. So after it's done downloading everything, it should take a few minutes depending how fast your internet is. Let me just skip past this. So after you download it, you could just go through your apps, and then Audacity should be right there, which was pretty easy. The final way to download software using on Linux is by using the Linux App Store, or the Ubuntu software store. It's like basically like an app store for Linux. Yeah, it doesn't have much, honestly. There's MATLAB, like stuff like that you could use if you're using it for like industry, and they give you and you have to use Linux in order to use it. There's also, you could download Python add-ons and IDEs as well. That's basically it. It's a very small store. I do not recommend. I mean, it does make it easier to download stuff, but I don't remember. This shouldn't be your main way to download stuff, because it's super limited. It's super limited compared to the other two other ways. So the thing we're gonna download is Curve Viewer. And then after that, you just navigate right there, and then you just click Curve Viewer. After that, you just click install. It's pretty self-explanatory. It's like basically downloading things on Windows. Most people have used Windows. I'm not sure about. Yeah, and then you just put in your password. Password authentication for Linux is very important for some reason. I don't know the background behind that, but for everything you're doing, you have to put in a password, and you just wait until it downloads. This one takes a little bit of time compared to the other ones, in my opinion. But then again, I was downloading 3 different things, so this might just be a heftier file. And then you just, after doing that, you just click launch, and then there's the software right there. If you want to take it out, there's right next to it, there's a remove button, so it just makes it pretty simple. And then you could also see it on your app list or your application, where your activities area. After that, that's basically just the 3 ways to download software on Linux. Hope you liked the video, and there's gonna be quite a few videos coming out this week, so look forward to that. And yeah.